What if the secret to a healthier prostate wasn't in a pharmacy, but hiding right in your fruit bowl? If you're a man, chances are you've at least thought about prostate health. For many, it's more than a thought. It's the frustrating reality of an enlarged prostate. It's that constant, nagging urge to go, the trips to the bathroom that chop your sleep into pieces night after night, and the anxiety that tags along with it. It can feel like your own body is working against you. But what if you could fight back naturally? What if one of the keys to relief was as simple as what you put on your plate? We're about to uncover 3 common, delicious fruits that scientific studies show can help manage these frustrating symptoms and actively support your prostate health. You might just be surprised by our number 1 pick. Build credibility. Before we jump in, it's important to know that this isn't just wishful thinking. The power of these fruits is backed by a growing body of scientific research. We're talking about specific, powerful compounds that have been studied for their ability to protect prostate cells, reduce inflammation, and even slow down certain prostate-related issues. We'll break down the science in a simple, straightforward way so you can see exactly how these natural foods can make a difference. The antioxidant powerhouse, berries, and pomegranate. First up on our list is the berry family. Think plump strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. These fruits are absolutely loaded with antioxidants, which are like your body's frontline soldiers against cellular damage. For the prostate, this is incredibly important. Much of the discomfort from an enlarged prostate, or BPH, comes from inflammation and oxidative stress. The antioxidants in berries help neutralize harmful molecules called free radicals, protecting your prostate cells from that damage. But there's one fruit in this category that deserves a special mention: the pomegranate. Long seen as a symbol of health, modern science is now confirming its potential benefits for the prostate. An early, influential study in 2006 grabbed headlines when it found that daily pomegranate juice consumption dramatically increased the time it took for PSA levels to double, from an average of 15 months to 54 months. It is important to note that larger, more recent placebo-controlled trials haven't always replicated such a dramatic effect, but the research continues to point toward pomegranate's powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Incorporating these is easy. Blend a handful of mixed berries into a morning smoothie or enjoy a glass of pure pomegranate juice. It's a simple change that delivers powerful, protective compounds. The vitamin C champions, citrus fruits. Next up, we have citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits are famous for one thing: vitamin C. While we often link vitamin C to fighting off colds, its potent antioxidant properties are also crucial for prostate health. Oxidative stress is a major factor in the development of BPH, and studies have found that men with BPH often have lower levels of antioxidants like vitamin C. While scientists are still exploring the exact mechanisms, some studies suggest that a consistent intake of vitamin C is associated with a reduced risk of developing BPH symptoms. One animal study suggested vitamin C may work by helping to regulate a molecule that influences prostate cell growth, thereby helping to keep enlargement in check. Higher intake of foods rich in vitamin C and higher fruit intake in general has been linked to lower odds of experiencing prostate enlargement. This is probably the easiest addition to your diet. A glass of fresh orange juice, a squeeze of lemon in your water, or adding grapefruit to your breakfast are all simple ways to boost your intake and support your prostate. The lycopene protector, tomatoes, and watermelon. And finally, our number 1 pick, which is technically a fruit, the tomato. The tomato's secret weapon is a powerhouse antioxidant called lycopene, which gives it that rich red color. Numerous studies have linked higher lycopene consumption to better prostate health. Specifically, research shows that men with higher intakes of lycopene appear to have a reduced risk of developing prostate cancer. Lycopene seems to work by protecting prostate cells from DNA damage and interfering with the growth of cancer cells. However, it's important to clarify that while the evidence is strong for reducing the initial risk, its role in slowing the progression of already advanced disease is less clear and still being researched. Interestingly, your body can absorb lycopene even more easily when it's cooked. This means enjoying a hearty pasta with tomato sauce is actually a fantastic way to get this prostate-protecting compound. Other lycopene-rich fruits include watermelon, papaya, and pink grapefruit. So, to quickly recap, we have: first, berries, and especially pomegranate, packed with anti-inflammatory antioxidants. Second, citrus fruits, loaded with vitamin C to help combat oxidative stress related to BPH. And third, tomatoes, full of lycopene to help protect against cellular damage and reduce the risk of developing prostate cancer. As a bonus tip, remember that these fruits are most powerful as part of a healthy, plant-rich diet. Studies from institutions like UC San Francisco show that men who eat more fruits, vegetables, and nuts may have a significantly lower risk of their prostate cancer progressing. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about taking control of your health naturally, make sure to like, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more evidence-based health tips. Taking charge of your prostate health doesn't have to be an overwhelming mission. It can start with the simple, conscious choices you make every day in the grocery store and your kitchen. By incorporating these powerful fruits into a balanced diet, you're not just eating well. You are actively supporting your body and taking a natural step toward long-term prostate health. Your health is truly in your hands.